Hi, I'm Sophia. I come from the vibrant city of London, where I work as a freelance writer and photographer. Traveling is more than a passion for me. It's the canvas upon which I paint my dreams, capture moments, and find the stories that enrich my soul. I have always found solace in the gentle hum of airport announcements and the thrill of embarking on a new journey. Ever since I was a little girl, the promise of adventure filled my heart with hope and anticipation. Every trip is an escape from the ordinary, a chance to discover unknown corners of the world and of myself. Traveling is more than just visiting new places. It is a dialogue with cultures, landscapes, and people. The scent of exotic spices, the melody of unfamiliar languages, and the vibrant hues of bustling markets awaken my senses and remind me that life is as varied as the paths we choose to walk. In every city I visit, I seek moments of quiet reflection amidst chaos. Sitting at a small cafe or wandering down cobblestone streets, I allow my mind to wander. I absorb every detail, feeling the pulse of the community and learning how history and modernity intertwine in unexpected ways. My journeys have taught me the beauty of impermanence and the value of spontaneity. I have learned to embrace uncertainty and let the flow of the moment guide me. Even when plans fall apart, there is magic in the unexpected, and each twist adds a new chapter to my personal story. Sometimes I find myself conversing with strangers, each sharing a unique perspective on life. Their stories become part of mine, weaving a tapestry of experiences that enrich my understanding of the world. These fleeting encounters often leave a lasting impact, deepening my empathy and curiosity. Nature, too, has its lessons to offer. From the serene calm of a secluded beach to the majestic grandeur of mountain ranges, every landscape speaks its own language. I marvel at the diversity of our planet, feeling both humbled and invigorated by the vastness and beauty that surrounds me. Traveling has also been a journey inward. As I navigate unfamiliar terrains, I confront my own fears and insecurities. Each adventure is a mirror reflecting my strengths and vulnerabilities, reminding me that growth often comes when we step outside our comfort zones and embrace the unknown. Every destination leaves its mark on my soul, and every farewell carries a hint of longing. I collect memories like souvenirs, each one a cherished reminder of moments lived fully and passionately. These recollections fuel my desire to explore further, always seeking new horizons and untold stories. As I sit here reflecting on my travels, I realize that the road is both a teacher and a friend. The world is vast, and its wonders are endless. With every journey, I become more attuned to the rhythm of life, ever eager to discover what lies around the next bend, ready for the next adventure.